If you came to see the analytics of a channel that just got to 1,000 subscribers, then you reached the right video. Stay tuned. I just wanted to create a video for you guys to see the numbers in my channel, just for you to get an idea of what's happening, what's not happening, and sometimes it can be a real eye-opener to go through your numbers and compare it from the month before. In the month of December, I want to show you that I had 5.7 thousand views, 69 watch hours, and 344 subscribers. As compared to November, that was 3.7 thousand views, 61 hours, and 263 subscribers. We can see it's not quite much of a big difference between the watch hours, but the views had shot up, almost doubled, or at least 1.5 times. Or at least 1.5 times. I want to say that has to do with the YouTube Shorts that just came out that's currently in beta testing in India. I'm in the US and I'm not in India, but there is a way to have YouTube Shorts on your channel. It's supposed to give you more views, and we can clearly see that maybe that gave me more views, or maybe just the number of subscribers being added on for the month gave me more views. Somewhere along the way I got more views, and I can justify the watch hours as less because prior to December, my videos were about 2, 5, 7, 8 minutes long. Prior to December, in November, and before that, my videos were about an average of 5 minutes long. And in the month of December with the YouTube Shorts, they were about 1 minute long, 60 seconds. So we can see that had affected my channel. I'm going to click on reach. With the reach, we can see here that my channel has generated 72,000 impressions, which is up 75%. How many times your video thumbnails were shown to viewers. The impression click-through rate went down to 3.4%. The views we just spoke about and the unique viewers is up to 3.9 thousand. If we go back to the month of November, we can see my impressions was only 41,000. So perhaps the YouTube Shorts has something to do with the more impressions, or the fact that I'm getting more views and more subscribers. YouTube might be pushing out my videos now to more people in their homepage since more people are subscribed to my videos. The impression click-through rate, I'm a bit concerned. I mean, it's not that big of a drop. It was 3.6% in November, and then in December, it went to 3.4%. So I just want to see why that might is. Sometimes you just look at your thumbnails and it just kind of jumps out at you. So I see here, I can see what's happening right now. So prior to December, in the month of November, I had the yellow, red, and green, which I spoke about in a few of my videos. That's important to have in your thumbnail because it pops out at people. The difference is in the month of December, by some feedback that I got from other YouTubers, is that I should not have that green background. It should be the actual background from the video. As I could see here, that background is different. As I could see here, the background is the actual background of where I filmed the video. And that, it looks like that has affected the click-through rate. It may be that. It could also be just even the title of the videos. But I'm not seeing the title of the video being any much different in December than it was in November. So I'm guessing maybe that made a difference. Is it a big deal? Not really, but it is going down, and I'm curious to see what would happen in January. Now, because of this, I'm probably going to go back to that green background and see what difference it made. I'm not going to go back to videos that I already published to change the thumbnail. I mean, it is important to change your thumbnail. It is important to change your thumbnail and to tweak to get more views. Now I'm going to click on the engagement, and I see here that the watch hours, the average. Now I'm going to click on engagement, and I see that the average view duration is 43 seconds. As compared to November, where it was 1 minute. Now I know that's a little bit of a drop, and the reason for that is again the YouTube Shorts videos. It's a drop by about 28%, which makes sense from the month before, which was 1 minute. And even from November, that was a drop by 52%, which is an incredible drop. I would say because I was making like 5-minute videos then. I don't particularly like that, and I'm gonna have to look into my videos a little bit more. Maybe I need to focus more on keeping people's attention in the video, doing different special effects, pattern interruption, just to keep people on the video longer. This way I'm not losing people. Or create shorter videos. Maybe 1 minute might be too short, whereas 43 seconds on a 1 minute video is incredible. That's about a 75% retention rate. I do want to have longer videos chock full of more content instead of, little bits of content. So I would maybe focus in the month of January more on 2, 3, 4 minute videos, which I sort of have. My last couple videos has been 3 and 4 minutes long. I kind of did have an idea about that before even looking at this, but now that I see the numbers, it helps reaffirm my decision to do so. I'm going to take a look at the audience. Unique viewers is 3.9 thousand compared to November, which is 2.5 thousand. That's definitely an increase. The average views per viewer is still 1.5. I'd love for that to go up. I'd like my subscribers to be engaged more. Whereas, I'm expecting that I post about 4 videos a month, so I'm expecting that to be 4. If we take a look at the average views per viewer, we have 1.5. I post 4 videos a month on average, 1 a week, and I would say I would expect that to be really 4 to have engaged subscribers. This kind of tells me that maybe my subscribers aren't as engaged as they should be, but then again, maybe this could be normal for YouTube. Let's go back to my dashboard. We can see as of the time of the filming of this video, I have a little over 1,200 subscribers. How long does it take to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Tap the card on your screen now or click on the link in the description. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, tap that subscribe button, and find me on IG. I love you.